'cause we're on the brink of disaster. Someday the ground will open up and take us in. We don't mind, we just live a little faster. Living in Southern California's too much fun. Every little driving spot, every little hot spot, all these little bars and things, all coming down, down, down. Even where the Padres play, even up the Highway 8. Try to get to work too late when the earthquake comes. Every little Jack in the Box, every little Taco Bell, every little parking lot, gonna go under, under, under. Every little thrifty gas, every little